What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on DWAC ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this ticker even higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very top, and I've told you that we didn't have any volume at all, almost any volume at all, with this huge movement to the upside, because this movement was made on the extended hours, and not so many people might trade during these extended hours. And I've told you that most probable we will have a retracement, and this retracement should land at the ranges of about 45 and lower dollars, and our golden pocket, and it is the range of Fibonacci retracement levels from the very bottom to the very top of this movement, as you can see, and even $40 mark, because with the recent pipe investment in DWAC, the price target of this pipe offering was set to $40, and that's why my accumulation points was in between $45 and $40 mark. And as you can see, it acts perfectly well. We hit this golden pocket and had a good bounce to the upside, and statistically this range is the most probable range of trend reversal. It is not 100% guaranteed, but still, usually we have at least a bounce from this range, and this bounce happened right here. Then we went lower to the range of about $41 and have a double bottom pattern. As you can see, we hit exactly the range of $41.5, and from this point we went higher. So from our accumulation point, even though if you enter at about $46, it doesn't matter, you might be up for more than 37%. But if you follow my channel for quite some time and you ladder your buys down, your average price might be around $43.5, and from this point you might be up for about 46%. So congratulations to all of you who took this trade, and I will show you what should we expect next in my technical analysis. But for now, let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. So first of all, let's start with the company profile. Right here we don't have enough data because it is the profile of a blank check company, and we don't have any numbers related to Trump's social media The Truth. And the only number that we can rely on is this one. It is a total market cap of $1.63 billion. For some of investors, this number might be extremely overvalued. And yes, I think it is overvalued if you compare it with different companies that doesn't have any products and any sales at all on the market right now. But if you take a look from the standpoint that the leader of this company is Mr. Donald Trump, everything becomes absolutely crazy. And let me show you this article that was published on December the 8th, and it was the reason why we have the recent spike in price of DWAC ticker. So, why did Digital World acquisition stock rocket up today? And let me quote you these bullets. SPAC Digital World Acquisition Corporation, which announced a deal to take former President Donald Trump's social media company public in October, surged 28% today after gaining 17% yesterday on news of a CEO for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump social media company announced on Monday that Representative David Nunes will retire from Congress and take the role of Chief Executive Officer of Donald Trump's social media platform in January, which will launch Truth Social. It appears that DWAC was likely gaining today due at least partly to promotion on social media from posters on Twitter and stock tweets. The news came after Digital World Acquisition Corporation and Trump Media confirmed over the weekend that they would be getting a $1 billion PIPE investment for the new company, which Reuters last week said would value the new entity at about $3 billion. Today's and to some extent yesterday's move might be a bit of a surprise to some after DWAC said on Monday that it was being probed by the SEC and other regulators relating to its dealings with Trump Media. The SEC probe into DWAC followed Senator Elizabeth Warren sending a letter to SEC Chairman Gary Gensler last month requesting that the agency investigate the transaction. The warrant request came after a New York Times report that Trump's recent deal with the DWAC may have skirted security laws. So, we have crazy news around this company, and definitely everything that is related to Mr. Donald Trump becomes really crazy. And that's why we have to be prepared for the crazy price action of this ticker. And let me show you that for now we have Digital World Acquisition Corporation on the 6th place in the rank of appwisdom.io website. And as you can see, it gained about 5 positions, with number of mentions of a little bit lower than 200, and it has about 600 upvotes. So we can see an increasing momentum with this ticker, and that's why we can see a trend continuation. On top of that, if we'll take a look on stock tweets community, and if we'll take a look on trending section, right here we have DWAC company on the 7th place. On most active section we have this company on the 2nd place. And on the watchers section, we have this company on the 4th place. This means we still have a possibility by the end of this week to hit some higher targets. And that's why we have to be cautious, but we have to be prepared for this price action. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, this movement to the upside is very powerful, and from the very bottom to the very top, it has about 67% gains in just 3 sessions. And this movement is really massive. And as you can see, it is quite technical. I marked these 2 lines several weeks ago, and as you can see, this range acts as a resistance. We hit it and bounced back in order to collect more steam, and with this huge volume we broke it to the upside. But right here, as you can see, we have the second range as our resistance as well, and we broke it a couple of times, and on an hourly time frame we have only weeks above this range, and eventually again with the huge volume of this last candle we broke it to the upside. And for now we are hovering at the ranges of about $63.5. So as you can see, this asset is very technical, and also if I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement, as you can see, we hit with these weeks the range of 1-to-1 extension. And it is also quite technical that we have the Fibonacci ranges as our supports and resistances. And that's why we can rely on these tools in order to project some upcoming targets. So, in my opinion, we have something like this. This is our first wave, massive first wave, then retracement, deep retracement to the second one, and for now we are forming the third wave. And I don't know whether it is the very top of this wave or we might have some more room to grow. And in my opinion, we still have at least one more leg to the upside, but we have to be cautious. And then we have to have a retracement, and this retracement might land also on different levels, and next we will have another leg to the upside to form our top of the 5th wave. So what should we expect next? Let's switch to 15 minutes time frame. And what do we have right here? Definitely we have this highest volume, and with this movement to the upside we have this range as our third internal wave, and this is the 5th one. So, and if it is the bottom of the third wave, and we might have something like this on a smaller scale, this is our first wave, second, third, fourth and 5th, and these 5 waves forms only one wave on a greater scale. This means we might have from this bottom, this is our first wave, this is our second, this is the entire movement is our third, fourth retracement, and then we have to hit some higher targets in order to form our 5th wave, and this 5th wave will be the top of our third wave on this scale, from this bottom to this top. This means we can project some Fibonacci retracement levels from this bottom for the entire internal third wave, and these ranges might be following. So I don't need this one for now, and I can pull the Fibonacci retracement level from this bottom to this top, and we can land on following levels. As you can see, we have very strong confluence with this price action of 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and it is a price point of $58.38. Next one, golden pocket, but we don't have any price action around this range. This means it becomes more irrelevant, but instead of this range we have 0.786 range as a strong confluence level with our resistance and support line, and it is the range of $52.16, and you can accumulate your position on this movement to the downside, but we have to be prepared for crazy movement to the upside, because we can have a trend reversal anytime soon, and when we will hit the top of our third wave we might have a much deeper retracement, and that's why we have to be prepared for this. So just accumulate your position on every movement to the downside with the anticipation that we might hit higher targets. And your stop loss might be from these ranges, might be quite deep. It might be at this very lowest point, at the range of about $47. But still, with the support of Mr. Donald Trump and with the support of former Congressman David Nguyen, we might see much higher price action, especially when the retail community will support this company as well. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!